Learn and practice daily use action verb sentences. I will buy a new phone after collecting my salary. I will buy a new phone after collecting my salary. I will visit my doctor on Monday morning. I will visit my doctor on Monday morning. I will go to the market after work. I will go to the market after work. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will finish my homework before going to bed. I will finish my homework before going to bed. I will cook dinner for my family tonight. I will cook dinner for my family tonight. I will exercise in the morning. I will exercise in the morning. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I will learn a new language this year. I will learn a new language this year. I will buy myself new Christmas clothes tomorrow. I will buy myself new Christmas clothes tomorrow. I will visit my grandparents next month. I will visit my grandparents next month. I will watch a movie tonight. I will watch a movie tonight. I will go to the store later. I will go to the store later. I will send you the document shortly. I will send you the document shortly. I will organize my closet this weekend. I will organize my closet this weekend. I will take a break after this task. I will take a break after this task. I will reply to your email soon. I will reply to your email soon. I will water the plants this evening. I will water the plants this evening. I will explore a new recipe for lunch. I will explore a new recipe for lunch. I will visit a museum on Saturday. I will visit a museum on Saturday. I will join the gym next week. I will join the gym next week. I will create a to-do list for the day. I will create a to-do list for the day. I will go for a walk after dinner. I will go for a walk after dinner. I will attend the conference next year. I will attend the conference next year. I will clean my room this afternoon. I will clean my room this afternoon. I will save money for a vacation. I will save money for a vacation. I will upload my resume for the job application. I will upload my resume for the job application. I will learn to swim during the holidays. I will learn to swim during the holidays. I will learn to play the guitar. I will learn to play the guitar. I will try a new restaurant this weekend. I will try a new restaurant this weekend. I will attend a workshop on creativity. I will attend a workshop on creativity. I will go to bed early tonight. I will go to bed early tonight. I will send you a birthday card. I will send you a birthday card. I will adopt a pet from the shelter. I will adopt a pet from the shelter. I will practice medication daily. I will practice medication daily. I will attend a yoga class. I will attend a yoga class. I will plant flowers in my garden. I will plant flowers in my garden.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.